Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show how to make this card holder with 2 colors of wax thread, more color of laser, and more color of pure edge coating. The pattern paper is very slight tracing paper, designed by Adobe Illustrator. So it's very different to hard paper board and 3D design normally used by the majority of crafters. All this established by me and sold and taught many Chinese crafters in last 3 years. If you are interested in the design system, tell me. I'll make another video to show how much this. Let's begin. First, apply a varnish gum for fresh side. Polish the side. The fluff vanished. After dry, even scrub with the nail. A cannot agree more for a head. It provides scenes of touch, such as human skin, and can clear up the dark spot on chrome and laser caused by residual metal. The inventor of varnish gum is just me. 3 years of laser craft. After dry, paste the pattern paper with double-sided tape out of bloodline. Then paste on the laser. Now you can deal with. Punch the hole for snap button with 2.5 mm. 2 and 6 prong punchers make line holes for sewing. If the puncher blocked, fire at alcohol burner, then work again. At the corners, cut with the quarter round punch die. Can deal with better. Finally, cut the blood line. The model is done. Now, deal with the edges. The pure edge coating, red and blue, are ready. I'll make a yellow-brown color cream near this laser. Punch a little laser on the cup. I'll mix a color similar. Less red, more yellow, a little blue, stirring, contrast. More close to the laser, more easy to judge the color aberration. Finally, shallow the white color cream to the final color. Disperse the color cream in the resin liquid with a ratio at least 1:50. That's the pure edge coating. The color cream and the resin made by me too. Here, I provide 3 types of resin. The round type, which I sell in pure edge coating. Color suspended in liquid for very long time. After dry, drum hands at the round type, used in mainland edge, but used in this double color laser. The final transparent coating cannot cover the laser gap wheel. The rounded rectangle type, in lower viscosity, form a flat surface. Final transparent coating can easy to deal with. It can also used in main laser edge. The color cream separated from the rounded rectangle type resin because the resin will used as the final transparent coating tool. This type just selected for double color pure edge card holder. The slide type with good flow ability used in the laser. The color cream and the resin are separated also. Brush the peel edge on the laser 20 times. You can use bamboo stick or the oil. The bamboo stick with rough surface can carry more liquid, so the cord is sink. The oil with smooth surface carry less liquid, form slight cord. Careful brush with stick. When you stretch any finger, connect another hand, the process will stabilize smoothly. Just like this, push forward, control the overflow. You can get perfect coating. Lay it on a level surface. It will surface dry in 20 minutes in summer. Then brush a little overflow and the two colors connected. Is the king, very king. If not do, the connected color will appear a dark gap finally. Then dry 20 minutes for surface dry. And then brush the end coating second time for dry, for real dry. Dry for over 6 hours. Prepare for rub. Use sander or sandpaper. Rub the overflow in a level surface, so the connected color can close good fit. Red upper with sandpaper in 400 mesh at the surface. Then in 5000 mesh sandpaper, make smooth. Now sew in the 3 pieces of lace together with 2 color wax thread. The needle connected just one hand. At the third hole or the fourth of fresh side, the needle in. Leave some lace off. Then in the second hole. Same hole back. Leave a ring. Another thread through the ring. Drag the 2 threads together. Okay, the detail in the length. A hole in. Same hole back. Leave a ring. Through the ring. Drag together. That's 2 color lace, 2 color thread. Fix the holder level. Coat the lace no color. This is final coating. Use bamboo stick, thin brush. Stay this side at least surface dry. Then deal with another side. All surface dry. Repeat brush again. Then wait for real dry at least 12 hours. More sink the side, more time needed for real dry. Wrap the edge with 400 mesh sandpaper. Keep flattening. Just like frosted glass. Don't worry about coating will destroy it. The resin in high strength and high viscosity to the laser. Even under the pressure of high intensity, nothing damaged. Next, apply soft wax. The wax contains abrasive ink, which handle fit for lower solidity material such as practice, resin, and silica gel. You can also apply on leather shoes and hand light sheet of a car. Wear the wax on the edge, then polish with 5000 mesh sandpaper. The friction can cause amount of heat, so temperature of the end surface rising, make peel coating softening. Under the pressure of sandpaper, the surface quickly becomes smooth and flattened. Be careful about the temperature. Overheat may cause the coating drop from the edge. So stop a moment, check, and go on. When finished, leave some oil tarnish on the engine. Use a little paraffin, cleaning will be easy. That's the process. The inventor of wax is me too. If you leave the scissors just like this, it's the translucent appearance like agate. If you want more clearly, brush slide resin with oil again. I'm Kun's lithographer from China. 3 years in lithography, 2 years in laser coating research. Our video in Chinese record the whole process, from fresh to professional player. My playmate call me a scientist in lithography because of coating. This is my first time make a video in English. It's very difficult for me to decide to do. I'm not even living or study or travel to any English-speaking country. If you like my video, subscribe me, comment it, let me know. Any question, email to me. Will promoting me do more video about lithography. Thank you, bear my accent for so long time. Thank you to watch. Bye, next time.